6:30 a.m. headed for work. Then we're gonna show you guys the new daily, you know? I'm tired as fuck right now. Oh boy, look at this whip though. I'm gonna show you guys more in a second. Listen to this beast, yo. So hey guys, and welcome back to the video. Right now I'm headed for the garage, and then we're gonna work on the Firebird. But first we gotta do a video on this new carboard. It's a Toyota 1.3 amazing machine 16 valve, a racing beast. Y'all ready for that pull? This is gonna happen, I guess. The whole front end is gonna go off the Firebird. Watch along. So right now I'm gonna try to remove the whole condenser at the front. I'm not quite sure if I can get it out from the front, but I'm gonna try right now because I have a bolt literally underneath that's stuck. So I kind of have to, okay? Did you see them quick reflexes though? Just catch the line and like, bang. So we just got the front end of the Firebird, and it was kind of pain in the ass. Also, the bottom piece or whatever right here is actually also off. I just let it on because I just want to measure up some stuff for some front spoiler stuff, you know, some racing lips down here. So I think I broke 5 bolts down here in the bottom because it's a place where it collects water, and then water, funny enough, does so metal rust. And we fucking hate rust, man. We got the front end off, and I think this is gonna be it for today's video because I'm kind of running late for something. But the next video we're gonna take the whole radiator support out, the radiator out. Hopefully we're also gonna get to the fenders. Not quite sure if I need any help on that, like 2 people lifting them off or whatever, so we don't totally destroy them and scratch them up. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna take this bottom piece out, and we'll see. We'll see if I even can get it off. There's still one last bolt. So, thank you guys for watching this video, and if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below. This is awesome. I'm already feeling hyped about doing this whole daily thing and uploading videos with my car. Hopefully you guys are enjoying them too. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe down below so I know. And of course also don't forget to let your friends know and stuff like that if they're interested in muscle cars, drifting and racing, because that's what's going down right here. A pontiac Firebird from 1970 becoming a race car. A drift car actually, with a NASCAR engine and setup with some side pipes, and still have the classic looks of a 1970 Trans Am. It's a pretty insane build, I know, so follow along. This is gonna be awesome. Especially when we come to this part, you know what I mean? That's the exciting part. Engine, horsepower, yeah, stuff like that, I guess. So, thank you for watching. Leave a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any great ideas for the car. And goodbye, my boys.